Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be talking about the DM98 2.2 inch large screen Android smartwatch. Wow, that was a long name. But this is the watch that we are going to be talking about today, and is one of the more premium watches that comes from China, and it comes at a pretty good price of anywhere between $80 to $110 depending on the website and supplier that you choose to get this watch from. Now, before we begin, if you guys do enjoy this content or want to see more content on the newest gadgets, electronics, and watches, please subscribe to my channel below, and I will be sure to be back with you with more videos just like this and more to get these products. And if you guys do proceed to purchase this watch after this video, you can use one of my affiliate links below, which would take you to either Amazon or eBay, for which I am an affiliate of, and I will receive a commission at no extra cost to you. Now let's begin. So this is the DM98 2.2 inch large screen smartwatch, and first look, you're gonna find this watch with a pretty big silicone band. Just like this, it's super wide, it is ridiculous. But this could be still very comfortable to wear. You're gonna find a 4-pin magnetic charger, which is probably one of the most convenient chargers I can recommend for a smartwatch, because you can just snap it on. It is a step up from the USB chargers where you have to connect it, which takes an extra 2 or 3 seconds every time. You're gonna have a SIM card slot over here. You're not gonna have to need the SIM card if you don't want to. By this I mean, if you don't want to operate this watch alone, you do not need the SIM card in most cases. You do not need the SIM card to function most of the essential functions of this watch, unless you want to be able to call or text using this watch independently without connecting to your phone. So, if you don't want to do that, this is not a worry. You don't need the SIM card. Now, let's take a look at the watch faces and some of the basic features of this watch. So, this is your home screen right here. You can go through the home screen by pressing the only button that's available on the side. And you can browse through some of the default watch faces that this watch comes with by long pressing the home face. So long press it. Now you get to browse through some of the watch faces that this watch originally comes with. You should have a variety. So these are some of the watch faces that it originally comes with. Okay, so I'm gonna stick with this one since the screen seems a little slippery here. But this is a pretty awesome face, and you can browse through some of them and select another one to be a wallpaper if you feel like a change to keep things interesting for you. Now let's put this watch on and see how it looks like on your wrist. Okay, so this is how it looks like on the wrist, which is very noticeable. As a watch, you gotta give it that, because for most of the round watches or even just the smaller square watches, it doesn't stand out as much as this rectangular one. So now let's browse through some of the features on this watch. You can do that by starting at the home screen and you swipe right. You're gonna have your fitness functions here, like it seems here, you're going to be able to track steps, calories. You're going to be able to dial if you connect this watch to your phone, or if you operate it using a SIM card. You will also be able to get weather information once you connect this to your phone or use a SIM card. Now let's see. These are some of the more essential functions. Now this is if you swipe up, you get some information here, including the app download information, where if you scan this code right here, you will be able to automatically download the app that's associated with this watch, which I believe would be mainly for fitness data syncing. Let's see how you can go to some other functions on this watch. Okay, so it's not very easy to navigate through because I have to play around with the swiping here. Yes, this could definitely be a little easier to browse through, but it's gonna take us a little time to figure it out. So this is taking a little longer than expected, which might consume the time of this video. But what I would mainly use this watch for would be to perform some of the basic network functions, such as looking at the weather, tracking fitness activity. There's also a Play Store that comes with this watch, which I'm trying to navigate to, but it's giving me a hard time right now, so it looks like I will have to go through the instruction manual to find out how it works exactly, which all of you guys should anyways to read through the instruction manual, because this is a watch that has a lot of functions. So some of the basic functions that I would recommend going to using this watch would be 1, the fitness functions, which are readily available when you swipe right. So you're going to be able to count your steps, distance, and calories, just like it's shown here. Second, the phone and network functions. So being able to dial, text, and seeing some information such as the weather, that would be second. Third, there should also be a Play Store available on this watch since it operates off an Android system. So from there, you will be able to see some of the extra features that you're able to obtain from the Android system. Aside from that, if you ask me on my preference on this watch, I don't really like the shape of this watch, but it is a very cool watch with some nice styles. I do like the aluminum case, how it stands out, the silicone band, and just the features that it comes with. Now again, this watch can go for anywhere between 80 to 110 US dollars. And if you use one of my affiliate links below, it will take you to trusted sources such as Amazon or eBay. And you guys will be able to purchase this watch, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you very much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be sure to be back with you with more videos just like this.